Okay, we're at the Three Brothers Retreat. That's the second ridge. We're looking at the third ridge. This is the trail on the third ridge. We're going to head up the third ridge to the top of the mountain. And we're going to take it at a kind of slow pace to make sure Noah can keep up. So, won't make for the most exciting ride, but at least we can include Noah. Come on, baby. Come on, Noah. This is a ride I've never done before. Come on, Noah. This is not our tree stand. We're on a hunting preserve property right now. I think I remember a trail kind of going to this. I just got a big spider web in the face. Yeah, here's a trail of sorts. Not one of mine, but I've found this coming the other direction before. Kind of steep through here. I think I'm still on a trail. Kind of steep here. Come on, Noah. Going kind of slow here so you can keep up. Steep through here. When you start seeing sky low on the horizon, of course common sense tells you that you're getting to the top of the mountain. Come on, Nono. Come on, baby. Good boy. Come on. About 78 degrees out. maybe 80, but not real bad or anything. Overcast, great day. So if I'm in the third ridge, that would mean that the stone house is about over there. A few times I've ended up on trails behind the stone house and come up from behind it. Come on, Noah. I don't think that shotgun's gonna fit through there. Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah. Come on, baby. I put that glove on that branch a long time ago. Come on, Noah. I've come across the top of this ridge, but I've never come up the third ridge. Let's take the more difficult route. Spider web. Do another spider web right in front of me. Okay, I'm on the access road behind the stone house. Stone house.